got this 2002 Ram 2500 second gen Cummins coming onto the lot. This thing's got 350,000 on it. I wouldn't mind chicken wings for lunch. It's from Western Canada, so it's a very clean second gen. It's not like most of the ones you see driving down the road with the box all rusted out. This thing's solid. It's got a few stone chips and a few love and care, but the truck's 20 years old. We got a 3-inch rough country lift, got a brand new set of 35-inch Predator tires wrapped around a all black Fuel Rebel 8. This truck sits absolutely gorgeous, and she not just sounds great as a 24 valve, but she's got a lot of go as well.